Okay, let's move to this one. You can see this is a round shape, soft bag, set of 2 decorative baskets. Let's take the details. You can see we use the stitching with beautiful home words. Actually, we can change the words color, pattern. You can tell us your design and then we will follow. About this one, you can see we also use the border to decorate it. The basket is more stylish. Second one, I'd like to measure the size for your easier reference. Top diameter 24, height 21, smaller size 20, height 17 centimeters. For this soft bag, the size is not too big, so you can put it into any rooms to make it clean and tidy. About this one, you can put some socks on the wheels, some towels into it. About this one, you can put your kids' toys and some little socks into it.